Channel on the internet.
Well, you know how they say there's a first time for everything, and this is the first time that the crew was ready before me. But they didn't have to wait long because I only took like 5 minutes. The good thing, they have put everything by the boat, so all I had to do was put it in the boat. And that makes me wonder, how come they didn't do a complete job by putting everything in its place? And well, I'm gonna tell you guys this little story that happened yesterday while I was at the store buying groceries for today. And while I was shopping through the aisles, I ran into a fan, and he immediately started talking and congratulated me on the success of the channel. And also, he explained the reason why he started watching the channel, because he is a boater and he does go fishing and hang out at the sandbar. But what really got him impressed was that I do everything with my family. He was amazed that I took my kids fishing, island hopping, and even to the parties. And that gave him more courage to start taking his wife and kids fishing to the sandbar and just doing everything together, because normally his wife or kids would not go with him. But he showed him my videos and proved to his wife that it could be done and everybody could enjoy it. And now they get along even better and spend more time together. And that was an awesome feeling for me, because I'm glad that the videos have this effect and on people's family and enjoying the water together. And I know that people watch the channel for many different reasons, but this one to me is the best one. And that's the energy that keeps me going to make more videos. And I would like to thank him for letting me know how he feels. It was a great experience, knowing that a simple video can entertain you and make you feel this way. And that means everything else is extra. But now let's go back to the show and put it on the road, whoa, on the water. And by the way, guys, the Sandbar Life flag is soon gonna be available on frescochannel.com. It'll be an awesome, cool way to show that you're part of an awesome boating community and show the love for the Sandbar Life. And well, I think I spoke too fast, because today we're running short on the crew. We only got Ogita and Joel, because Gabby and Fresco and his girlfriend, because yes, we have an add-on now, they decided to stay back. And guess what the excuse was? Because it was too hot and sunny. Can you guys believe that? And usually I don't give options, but today I felt kind of nice. And by the way, I would like to say welcome to the family and welcome to the show, because in 2 weeks we got 1,000 new followers on Instagram. So whatever you guys are doing to help spread the love, it's working. So I want to give you guys a big thank you for that. I don't know what's going on today, but there sure is a lot of boat traffic out on the river. Or maybe everybody's enjoying a hot, sunny day. And by the way, I would like to say thank you for those people that answered on the question that I asked about where do you guys do your boating. Thank you for letting me know. Actually, I found out about new places. And in case you didn't know, that was the Miserable Mile. But now we're gonna speed it up. We reached Punta Rasa Bridge. And I've been noticing something here on the west coast. The water's getting cleaner. I don't know if it's just summertime or the sunny day, but the water's getting much better. And so far so good. We're in the middle of the year and no red tide. And hopefully we don't have it anymore, because that kills thousands of fish. And we have reached our destination for today, Fort Myers Beach. And it looks pretty packed today, on the water and on the sand. So you know I have to get closer and investigate. And like I predicted it on my previous videos here, that I knew that Fort Myers Beach was going to get packed during summertime. And you can see for yourself. Today the beach, the water, the boats, there's a lot of people here. And believe it or not, I really enjoy that Fort Myers is coming back to life after the destruction of the hurricane. And I would like to apologize for the little shaky video. It's because it's a little chopped and also the boats are moving around. And a few people have asked me, is it hard bringing the boat on a trailer to the West Coast? And the answer is no, as long as your trailer is up to maintenance, especially with good greased bearings, because the trip is about 2 hours long. The only suggestion is, if you're thinking of coming, make sure you rent a house that has water on the back, because the ramps here also gets full and they close early on the weekends and long holidays. What are you gonna do? You gonna jump in the water? Oh. Jeez, it's not deep.
Like 2 feet. 2 feet.
Well, that's what it says, 2.5 feet. I can't help it if you're only 3 feet tall. And once again, we had to take our liquid hammock out because we're loving this. And remember, you go click on the link on the description below and get a discount. It's time to jump in the water. Oh yeah, the water's really good. Yeah, the water's really good. So you really like the liquid hammock, right?
Get it. Get it.
It's amazing.
It's awesome. Adults are gonna love it and kids are gonna love it. I'm stealing the camera for a few seconds, all to myself. How's the water?
Gorgeous and beautiful and hot.
Turn the boat around. Put it a little bit closer to the shore. While I suntan. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, it's about that time. What time is it? What time is it? Paragatanga. Check it out. Check it out. We got a full grill. We got sausages and chuletonga. We haven't had chuletas in a while. And where we at? We're at Fort Myers Beach, baby. and it's fully packed. Unusual, with people between the age of 15 to 45. That's unusual. Here you go. It's called barbecue with a view. That beautiful Fort Myers beach, and it's like, I want to say 4, 5 o'clock. I don't even know. We got here late like usual. Our fault. So we're here and enjoying the late afternoon at Fort Myers, and there's a lot of people here. I haven't seen this many people since spring break. And the beach is not 100% back to normal. I would say 50-50, because there's still a lot of shops closed. It's coming, baby, it's coming. So this summer's gonna be on fire. Best part of the day, baby. Look at this. Look how close we to the shore. Look, we're about 80 feet right there, look. That's so cool about Fort Myers. We're right on the beach. And enjoying a barbecue on the boat, baby. Pretty packed too. Let me turn it around. Look at that. Well, lunchtime is over, and seeing so many people here at the beach, I decided to sacrifice myself for you guys, get down and walk along the sand. And honestly, I don't know what's going on, but every time I come back here, there's more and more people showing up. Okay, so I'm gonna answer this question that I get asked a lot. I mean, a lot of times, from people from Miami and people on the West Coast in reference to the beach. Which side do I like the most? Well, honestly, I like both, but each side has its different characteristics. For example, Miami water, it's clarity, it's better, but the West Coast sand is softer, but depending what beach you go to, you could find more shells than Miami. And something that the West Coast has that beats Miami 100% is that you could pull up your boat as close as you can to the beach. That on the East Coast, you gotta stay away past the swimmers' buoys. That is, some beaches is about 200 yards away from the shore. Well guys, there you have it. If you don't believe me, you gotta believe the camera. And I'm telling you, Fort Myers is coming back stronger than before. And check this out, we have some fans that stopped by and said hi, and they wanted to try out the liquid hammock before purchasing it. So if you guys see me out there in the water and you want to check it out yourself, just come by and jump on it. Let me get you guys feedback on the raft. You guys like it?
Oh yeah.
It's comfortable, right?
We even made ourselves very comfortable.
Oh, that's good. You're gonna enjoy it. That's what it's here for.
Thank you. The shotgun.
Take a pool.
Yeah. And like you guys saw, we had an awesome time here at Fort Myers Beach, but it's about that time. It's time to get going, pick up anchor, and head back home. And I felt kind of bad telling our new friends to get off because they were enjoying it so much. And if you guys want to buy the liquid hammock, all you gotta do is go to the video description, click on the link that says liquid hammock, or copy and paste the link on the search bar and it'll take you there. Alright guys, so let's keep growing the channel so other people can have fun in the sun with us too. So make sure to share the videos with your family and friends and tell them to subscribe to the weirdest channel on the internet. And also let me know what you guys think about Fort Myers Beach coming back. And if you've been here already, let me know if you think it's better now or before. And us, we'll keep coming back here periodically and give you guys a video update.